Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was the day? I hope you are enjoying your day. So, in this video, we are going to learn about one jump game. So, first, I will run this project. I will show you what you will get here. So, you have to press the space key. Okay, if you will touch this orange box, your game will stop. Okay, so don't touch the orange box. See. So now we will see first how we will design this game, and after that we will see what sprite we want to add here. Okay. So first we need to create one backdrop. Like see, this is our backdrop. Okay. After that, instead of this backdrop, even we can add any other backdrop also. Then we want to add a ground. Okay. So this sky blue color is our ground, as you can see. Okay, and after that we want to add some blocks. So we have block 1, orange color block 2, and then we have our blue block. Okay, and then we have the next block, which is score. We need to add this score, this one, as you can see. Okay, after that we have next sprite, which is the next part. If you will see, press space to join. So if you want to start this game, we have to press the space bar. Then we have our white block. Okay. So as you can see, this one, and we have our hitbox. And then again we have our ground. Okay. Ground cost. So this all are the sprite we need to add. Ground, block 1, block 2. Then we have our blue sprite. Then score, then sprite 3, press space bar to start. Then we have our sprite 4, hitbox and ground coast. Now we will start a coding part one by one. So first we will see for this ground. So for this ground, what we want, when flag is clicked, we want to go to 0 and 0 position. Okay. So where you will, in the event, you will get when flag is clicked. So again, we need to go to the motion. So here you will get your go to X and Y this. After that, we have to create three variables: score, distance, and speed. How we will create a variable? You need to go to the variable, make a variable, write on your variable name, score, distance, and speed, and all these three we will start from. Score start from 0, distance is 0, and your speed we want 5. Even you can increase or decrease this speed. After that, we will create one more variable, which is start. So we need to wait until if your start is equal to 1. In the forever, what we want, we need to just wait for a second. We need to change the speed by little bit. Initially, you will get a slower speed. After some time, you will get increased speed, increased by 0.017. Even we need to change this distance by speed. Whatever distance we have, we have to change this distance by speed. We need to set a score. So what score we want to set here? We have to first take this round, okay, where you will get your round. In the operator, you will get this round, and this, after taking this round, we need to take this division. We have to divide distance by 10. Okay. So this part we need to add in a ground. After that, we will see for the block. So when flag is clicked, so immediately we want to show the block. So in the looks, we have this show. Again, we want go to this position, this one. Always you will get your orange block from this position. Okay. And in the forever, always it will start from this position. See this last part. Okay. We have to repeat until like a whatever, suppose if this block will come here, again we want to start from here. If this block come here, again we want to start from here, and we have to move this by speed. Okay. So this is our second part in the block. Okay. After that, we will see our block 2. So block 2 is also same. Only whatever we add here, same thing we need to add in this block. But what is the change? We have to go to this position, which is this one. Block 1 we will start from here, but block 2 we will start from here. Okay. So again, we have to move this by speed. And in the forever, see, initially we will start from here, means this, and after some time we will this block will come from here, means this part we have to add. Then we have our sprite one, which is this blue. So for this sprite, what we want? So first we want this point in direction by 90 degree. Okay. And we want to go to this position, which is your minus 120 in the x-axis and minus 97 in your y-axis. We need to create one more variable, which is velocity, and we have to start with 0. We need to repeat until is start is 1. Now if we will press the space key or if we will touch to this ground, your velocity increased by 25, and we will change y by your velocity. Even we need to change this velocity by minus 2.5. Again, if this will touch to your ground, again we want this point in direction. Okay. And we have to set this y by minus 97, means little bit from here. If this will not touch to your ground, we have to take a turn with your right turn degree. Okay. Now in the forever, if again space key is pressed or we will touch to the ground, again we need to change the velocity. Means we have to repeat that 2 times. Okay, like see. So like this. You have to take a turn. See, like this. Here you will get a turn. Okay. So this is our sprite one, which is your blue color. After that, we have this score. Like a when flag is clicked, we want this position for your score that much. Then we have like a when space key is pressed. Okay, like initially we will get press space to join. Okay, so when flag is clicked, we have to show this, and we will start your start with 0, miss this variable, and we will go to this position, which is your 7 and 0. Even you can change this position also if you want here or if you want here, and if you want this animation. So what we will do, we will change a color effect. Okay, so here you will get your color effect, and here you will get your pixelate effect also. Means you can apply some effect here, and we want this size. Even if you want a increased size, you can add 300, so you will get little bit increased size. Okay, so this we will do for your sprite 3. Then we have our sprite 4. It means when flag is clicked, we have to go to 0 and 0 position. Then we have our hitbox. Like if I will click here, so here you will get one red hitbox. So for that, what we need to do? Okay. So when flag is clicked for hitbox, we want the ghost effect with 100, and we have to show this. We need to wait for some time. So here what we will do, we want point in direction with your sprite 1. So sprite 1 we have this blue, and when sprite 1 will suppose here, so we want this red block also here. Means your point in direction, your red block will follow this blue one. We have to go to this x position of your sprite one and y position of your sprite one. Means always when wherever we have your blue block, at that point you will get your red block also. If that will touch to your block 1 or that will touch to your block 2, and if that is start with 1, so we have to broadcast game over. And when we will receive the game over, we have to stop everything. Okay, and last part we have this ground. So again we need to set the ghost effect. We have to go to 0 and 0 position. So here we have a 3 variables: score, distance, speed. We will set with 0, and for speed 5. We need to wait like a if that is start with 1. In the forever, again we have to change the speed. Means whatever we did for this ground, same thing we have to do here also. So in this way, we can create our mini jump game project. Okay. So please try this project and share your project link in the comment section. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much.